What's up, you guys? Quick little comment about this piece that we worked on earlier. I was telling you guys how the micas, as they start to relax, can pick up different shapes and things. Like this interesting pattern right here. If the phone will catch up. I also wanted to let you know about this little trick I learned from, well, Flatland is where I saw it, Flatland Artistry, but she got it from Rhonda at RK3 Designs. But you can actually wake up your micas, like these little patterns I've put in. They're absolutely flat, but you can just draw them in once your resin is hit, like, I don't know, a couple hours. You can just drag something through it, and it does look like there's a texture right there, but with a little bit of heat you can melt that back down, but the pattern will stay there. You don't have to use a torch for this part. You can use a heat gun if you like. But I just thought that was an interesting little tidbit, something a little extra you can add to your artwork. Anyways, happy arting. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Huh, Bowie? Bowie agrees. Bubba's. Did you say bye? He said bye.